Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing Visual Studio Code and any related terminals. This prevents locked files. Once done, open Task Manager and End Code. exe or node child processes so the uninstaller can run. Make sure to use an administrator account. Some removal steps modify program files. Before uninstalling, copy your settings, extensions list, and workspaces from %appdata%\code and %userprofile% to an external folder so you can restore preferences later. You open Settings Apps, Installed Apps, find Visual Studio Code, and select Uninstall. Follow prompts to remove the main program. Once the uninstaller finishes, manually delete leftover folders in %localappdata%\programs, \Microsoft VSCode, and %appdata%\code because some extensions persist. Next, check file associations and context menu handlers. Use default apps or a registry editor if needed. To remove shell integrations that keep you finish by cleaning residual registry keys tied to Visual Studio Code under HKCU and HKLM. Export keys first and then delete only entries clearly labeled for code to avoid system harm. After that, reboot Windows so shell caches and file associations refresh. Make sure no code processes restart. If you plan to reinstall, copy back your settings. If something goes wrong, run the Windows install/uninstall troubleshooter or restore the exported registry keys to revert changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.